In HTML5, today we are going to look at font handling, and specifically we are going to talk about WOW fonts. What are these WOW fonts? WOW are Web Open Font Format. Okay, Web Open Font Format. This is WOW. And what is this? This is actually, recommended by W3C, World Wide Web Consortium, but it was being suggested or consolidated by Mozilla, Opera and Microsoft. And why WOW is so important, that the support font distribution from a server to a client to a network with bandwidth constraint, this is the goal. So the goal and the idea was to send it across network where the constraint of network is there. But as we are talking about WOW, we will also introduce EOT, OTF, TTF, because these were the font which were developed by Microsoft and other foundations also, and they were also used, and they are generally, some browsers still use it. So we'll also talk about this. So what are these forms? As I earlier stated, WOW is Web Open Font Format, then EOT, Embedded Open Type, Open Type Fonts, OTF, True Type Fonts, that is TTF. And where to get all this? We can go to fontsquirrel.com, and why I'm going to fontsquirrel, you will just understand. Let me open it for you, and you will see that there is one line written 100% free for commercial use. Now you can have your font of your choice, your delight, and you may employ it in your web page and make your web page more appealing, more useful, and for your business purposes. So let's get started with our program or the code. This is HTML document, and we are just showing for let me open it for you. There are only 4 paragraphs which we are trying to show, but the basic idea is that these paragraphs have classes, and these classes are normal classes, italic classes, bold classes, and bold italic classes. These classes are defined in this style sheet. Okay, let me make it fun first. Control S, and as I change from 2 to 1, just remember, when I'll talk about style sheet 2, there'll be no change as such. So first of all, we'll go to style sheet 1 and see how these classes has been defined, and how we handle these fonts, and how we talk about WOW in our style sheet. We'll go to style sheet 1. Let me open it for you in Notepad++. Now this is the style sheet, and these are the classes: normal class, bold class, italic class, and bold italic class. And these classes, they are self-explanatory, but this is what we have to explain. First is font face. This font face has some font family, it has certain attributes. The font family is my font. This is what I have given. This is a local variable type, but this is what is the important part. This is the keyword. Then font family is a keyword, and the source is what? You can go to WOW, find for this. You can TTF, find for this. OTF, you see, we have different folders. So we go to this folder, find for this file. We go to this folder, find for this file, and wherever it is available, because once you find this, you don't have to go to this. So WOW is available, and we find this font, and the body says font family my font. This has been reiterated here, or been copied here, or be shown here, because earlier you might have seen that we used to give what? We used to give here some font name like Arial or sans serif and some italic. If it is not there, then sans serif will take over. And these are the colors and all things, you know it very well. So this is the whole idea, how we accept and show the font via this. Every folder has 4 type of different fonts, means normal, bold, bold, italic, italic. Same is with OTF, same is EOT, and nonetheless same for this also, TTF. So what are the other ways of showing this content? Is there another way? Yes, it is, because some browser may have WOW, some may not have WOW, some may have EOT, some may not have TTF. So how to cater and how to handle in this your programming? So for that, for this very purpose, we have this stylesheet2.css. I'll open it in Notepad++, and you see only we have this has been copied 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just what we have done, we have introduced font weight also. Okay, font weight, font style, font weight. Okay, bold, italic bold. So whichever is this, we have the folder, we have the font. It will find the font and it will just take it and show. So rest thing remains same. Only this my font has been given here, and depending upon the availability of the font, it will take the font and show it in your web page in the similar fashion which I have just explained. Let just me open it, and I'll just do Control S and run it in Chrome. So there are no change. This is normal, this is italic, this is bold text, and this is bold italic text. So hope you had the idea of fonts, what is WOW, why we are using WOW. Now you have to use WOW only, but we have to see also that it has to be, back compatible with the fonts which are available, because some may have this font, some may not have that font. So to have a good business, your web page should cater to all the fonts which are available. So thank you so much. Take care. Hope you have the idea of the font handling in HTML5. Thank you.